It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. May napapansin ba kayo lately? Parang araming taong nagre-reminisce sa kanilang past na events sa kanilang life when it comes to Christmas. Have you ever heard someone ask you lately, like, did you feel that Christmas is a little bit different today or this year than the past few years? Narinig nyo na ba ganong mga tanong? For me personally, yes, tons of times. Like, I've heard a few of my friends said that Christmas today is a little bit different or maybe way too different than the Christmas before. And I've heard people talk about it too. They are like reminiscing what's before, or it's just they want to do those memories again. Parang nasa memories na lang kasi nila yun. So the question is, nagbago nga ba ang Christmas? Yes, no, maybe, or it depends. Personally, so this is all in my opinion, I have some points to tell you or to share with you. First one is that we have memories. For me, I will term it memories. I don't know the exact term. We do not stay on the same age as few years gone by. What we feel when we were younger is a lot different than what we are now. So it's like yung Gen Alpha na ba ngayon? Correct me if I'm wrong ha. Sila yung mga nakaka-experience na Christmas pa rin. Kasi yun na yung kinalakihan nila. Unlike us, we grew up on a Christmas where everyone is excited, everyone gets a gift, even if it's just a simple gift like clothes or pencils, eraser, new eraser or new ano yun sa Filipinos kasi may mga lalagyan kami ng mga lapis, ballpen, eraser, yung mga ganun. Kapag bago lang na ganun, ang saya-saya na. It's like we see the world differently when we were younger. And it's not that we don't have that kind of mindset anymore. We still see it, but it's different. So different. Dati kasi nakafocus lang tayo sa mga bagay na nakapagpapasaya sa atin. When we woke up, when we were younger, first thing in our minds is what to play today. Is it just me? Or maybe I'm weird or kayo rin, di ba? Age 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we don't have gadgets. I mean, we don't have the phones, the fast internet, the things like computer thingy. So in order for us to have fun as a child, we play outside. Especially if Christmas season, we often get freedom times. Go! Kung ganito gawin mo, ganito ganyan, maglaro ka hanggat gusto mo. Especially if 24, before pagpasok ng midnight, lahat ng tao gising. Yun yung dati. Mapapansin mo sa kabilang, especially in the Philippines, sa kabila may nagkakantahan, sa kabila naman may ganito ganyan. For a lot of people, or maybe sa katulad ko, it's a Christmas to remember. For some, yeah, maybe may mga bad things happened. It's not the best for them. Now is the best time for them. Di ba ganon? So it's just memories, ganon. It's just your mind, di ba? Walang nabago. Ang nabago is lumaki ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng trabaho, iba na yung priorities mo, ganon. Kumbaga. Pero if like lumaki ka, pero yung priorities mo is wala ka pang iniisip na pagkagagastuhan, di ba ganun? Like sarili mo pa lang, you are much having fun. Parang parang ganun. It's your mind trying to reminisce the past self that you had na ang saya-saya mo, yung ganun. Time. Second one is time. Yaman ko, pero sa mga bata, they don't care much about time, di ba? It's like, uy, 7 a.m. papasok na ako ng school, ganito, ganyan. And then yung parents, parang ando na lahat. And then ang gagawin na lang nila is pupunta na lang ng school. Unlike us, adults, we are adulting. So, yeah, I think 2 points lang ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Walang nabago sa Christmas. It's just us na nag-iisip na parang may nabago, pero in fact wala naman talaga. Diba? It's still Christmas, December 25. It's still Christmas. As celebration pa din yan. It's just us kasi yung memories, number one, memories. I-recap ko lang, memories and time. Gaya ng sa amin, kompleto pa kasi kami noon until dumating yung time na nawala na si mama, ganun. Wala na yung mama ko. Yun, isa-celebrate namin together with my mother. Kaso, wala na eh. Our brain and ourselves inside, inner side natin. It's like trying to adapt to the new version of yourself. Hindi na yung enjoy lang, ganito ganyan. More of you working, earning for a living para sa sarili mo. Parang ganun na kasi yung perspective mo ngayon eh, unlike before. Let me know your opinion down in the comments. And maybe kung may mga gusto pa kayong i-point out, sige go. Ano nyo lang, babasahin ko yan. Thank you so much for watching. This is Jebs. See you next time.